Hey, Jessie from Xfanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate to you a Safe Dock feature that removes the Search YouTube feature completely from Google Workspace for Education to prevent your students from being exposed to accidental harmful videos. Google Workspace for Education apps like Google Forms, Hangouts, Classroom, and Sites allows students to insert YouTube videos in their projects, even with Safe Search enforced and YouTube domain blocked. Students can use this feature to watch age-restricted videos within the apps. This video is going to show you how to utilize SafeDock to block YouTube video search in these cloud apps. It improves security to your students' Chromebooks, as well as comply with the Child Internet Protection Act. For demonstration purposes, the left window is a student's Chrome browser without SafeDock installed, and the right window is another student's browser with SafeDock installed. In Slides, the YouTube video search feature can be activated in the menu, Insert Video. Then the Search tab in the pop-up dialog will give students the freedom to type any keywords and find videos. With SafeDock installed, students will no longer see this tab. They won't even know there exists such a search feature. However, students still have the option to paste a YouTube URL in the By URL part. In Forms, from the sidebar where you add questions, title, or images, you will also find a video button to add videos. Then you will find a similar interface as in the slides. Again, SafeDock detects and takes away the video search capability while keeping the pasting YouTube URL option. In Hangouts, open a chat dialog with any contact. Click the picture button on the message edit bar. A photo picker dialog pops up, on which the Video Search tab allows students to search YouTube videos in the same way. If your domain also enables Google Sites, in the Google Sites editor, students are able to search, insert, and watch YouTube videos natively. This YouTube video blocking feature is controlled by policy Enable Video Search. If the policy value is set to false, then the YouTube video search blocking is enforced. If you have yet to install SafeDock, please get a 30 days trial for your school.